Each pound, 10 pounds for 10 bags, 10 plates for spoon, cup, plates, almost soap, and 10 Bibles inside. Here. This is a complete pack, so it can be passed on to 10 students. Here are just some bags that you need to pack with one of the boxes and the other bags over there. So total of the bags we thought that it was 68, according to some report that 68, but now it's 64. But we decided that we have to meet the requirement for 68 students, so we brought 68 new school bags for all the grade 9s. And you can share the towels and whatever. But it's a privilege and honor for us to come as a community in Korea Heights to officially hand over all our donations to the head board. Yeah.
All right, go to the side. And the boys is that's it.
And this is Korea. They will now officially present the gifts to the school.
I'd like to now invite Ms. Kore to come forward, and Ms. Wani, come. Ms. Viren, please. Okay, thank you. Now we'll carry on to community of Korea Heights, and we will come and distribute. There are many others who show the same kind of concern for us, and here they are representing that wider community. Brandy tells everybody, and there are others still out there who are going to come after that. But here we have done, and representing the people out there in our community, I make them welcome. And please, I'd like to ask the head girl, the head boy, and 2 boys from Domon. Stand and move forward. Come, please. Come, head boy, and here 2 boys from dorm number 1 that was met. Quick, hurry up.